Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Lito X1. In this video I'll show you how to adjust drone Expo. To adjust the drone Expo, let's go to drone settings in DJI Fly app, enter control, go to gain and Expo tuning, select mode and find Expo. Here you can adjust pitch and roll, yaw and up, down. When the stick is pushed, the x-axis shows the output on the control stick, while the y-axis shows the actual output on the aircraft. The range extends from 0.1 to 0.9. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.